How to see deleted search history on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the deleted search history on Facebook. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to see a deleted search history on Facebook, so the issue here is quite simple. You've had a bunch of search history over here, but then you went to the see all button over here, and then what you have done is you want to basically go ahead and then to clear the search history. So I tapped on clear all and I tapped the clear all button. But unfortunately, search history, Facebook does not regard it as so important that you can actually recover it again. If it was a post or anything like that, you would delete it and within 30 days, you'd have the option to recover it. But unfortunately, for a search history, that is currently not yet possible. So there's no way that you can see a search history that you have permanently deleted Facebook from your Facebook as it is removed from your account itself. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.